This one secret makes people $1,000 a day or more selling digital products online. It's really important that you choose the right platform to cut down the learning curve and to maximize your profits. The learning curve is huge. There's so much information out there. How do you know what's right, what's wrong? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to get it all set up. So if you're ready to start making money, let's dive in. The platform we're going to be using today is called Buy Me a Coffee. It's very, very easy to set up. So all you have to do is go to buymeacoffee.com and you're going to click on Start My Page. And then down here, you're going to create your account. So you're going to type in whatever you want your account to be. Once you choose your username, click on Sign Up. Next up, you're going to choose which email address you want to log in with. Once you have that, click on the Sign Up button. Once you log in, you're going to be brought here to the Buy Me a Coffee dashboard page. So on the left-hand side, we're going to click on the word Shop. And this is where we can add a new listing. So we're going to click on the digital product button right here. And now it's going to ask you all the different questions about more information on this digital product. So the name, the description, upload featured images if you'd like to, setting the price, the confirmation message, or to redirect to a URL after the customer purchases, and then uploading the file and selecting the category. Today, we're going to be selling a 75 hard journal template. So what is 75 hard? So the 75 hard challenge is for 75 days, you're focusing on daily nutrition, exercise, and reading. Now this journal template that we created in Canva, it has a ton of pages. You can see as we scroll down, different dates. It contains a daily checklist that we created, and it separates it by month. You can put notes in here. You can split it up, and you can actually write in the calendar. So this is the template that we're going to be selling as our digital product today. Next up, we want to customize our product listing. So for name, you're just going to type in the name of the product. So we put 75 hard journal template. For description, we put in a basic description that explains what the product is and a little insight into the product. And then we're going to move on to the featured images. Now make sure when you upload your featured images, you want to do the cover of the template, and then you want to give some examples of what's actually inside the template, the journal, the printable, whatever it is. So make sure to actually pull images from the journal itself or the template itself, because you want to have an accurate representation of what's inside. What is the customer actually going to be getting? Now it's time to set the price. So all you have to do is type in the price that you want the product to be. So I'm going to do $9.95. And then down here for the success page, you can either select confirmation message, so you can actually type in a message to the customer after they purchase, or you can have a URL redirected to the product itself. So that's what I like to do, because if you redirect it to the product, that means they're going to get the product and they're going to be able to download it immediately right after they purchase it. Okay, so in order to get the URL for the template that we created in Canva, you're going to go over to Canva here, and then you're going to click on share, and then click on this live template link right here. This is going to be the link that we're going to use to redirect. So click on copy, and we're going to go back over to Buy Me a Coffee, and we're going to just paste this link right here. This is going to be the link directing the customer back over to Canva so they can use and customize their own journal. Selecting a category is up next. So what you can do is I actually hit add new category button, and you can type in whatever category you want for the particular product. So I just typed in ebook, and I created that category, and this is just for yourself to categorize the different products that you have. Make sure to click this checkbox that says I created this and it doesn't contain any illegal, adult, copyrighted, or prohibited content. Next up, the advanced settings. You can ask a question, so a follow-up question for the customer if you'd like to do that. If there's limited slots for the digital product, you can select that, and you can actually say, okay, this product is only limited to how many, maybe say 10 purchases, if you'd like to put that in there. And you can also allow the buyer to choose quantity. So if you want them to select 1, 2, 3, 4, however many digital products they can buy, then that's where you would select that. And when you're ready to make this product live in your store, all you have to do is come up to the top right corner and click on the publish button right here. And then you're going to get a prompt saying that your digital product is live on your store. Now that your digital product is live on your Buy Me a Coffee shop, all you have to do is come up here at the very top, and next to post you can click on extras, and here's where it is. So if you click on it, it's going to give you the price, the title, the cover image. So click on this and you'll see why it's important to upload these featured images. So it's going to give you the actual cover image, and if you click on right, it's going to give these real life examples of what the pages of the journal itself, so what the customer can expect to see in the journal. If you guys like this video and you would like to buy me a coffee, I would really appreciate it. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below to where you can buy me a coffee. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the tutorial. Also, please consider subscribing. It would greatly help out the channel. If you want to learn how to set up a free donation page and create an extra stream of income, make sure to watch this video coming up next.